done. Had to add the stand because this is indoors and this has to be 18 inches off the ground. And then there was of course wood strapping the old water heater, so I made these little, I don't know if you can see it or not, I made these little unistrut I guess clamp, I don't know what you call them. I just made them to strap the water heater to. And then the old shutoff was too far out, sticking too far out, so I pro pressed another one on there. So the water's on, everything, there's no leaks. And then I did it right on this side. I just did a 90 to an adapter. And then the vent going outside. And what else? Oh, gotta get a new 36-inch gas flex. And last thing to do, and this thing is seriously strapped, and we couldn't, it's not quite center, but it's on there completely. It's not off the side, but that's what we had to work with because we couldn't get it to go over anymore over that on that side. So that's it.